Hey guys, this is Grace at the Basket Bar. We are in a Dollar Tree and we are looking at the cool new snacks that they have. The classic Reese's Waffle Bites, which is basically ice cream cone chocolate bites. You got some chocolate chips. You have the new biscotti Catinas. I mean, this is really cool. That's why you always check out different Dollar Trees. Mr. Beast chocolate chips. Come on guys. $1.25. I don't know if that's good or not, but that seems like great. Little bags of these. Let's see. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts chocolate brownies, jelly donut, brownie batter, cake Oreo bites, Oreo king size. I mean, Nutty Butters. Come on, guys, these are great. Of course, the little bags of candy. And yes, I know that you can sometimes get stuff cheaper at the Dollar General, but considering you can get all of this in one store, that's fantastic. All their little snacks there. Salties. Here's your bag of pistachio, salt and pepper, honey roasted, some hickory almonds, the chili, the Andersons, great combos, Cheez-It packs. Look at this, y'all, the little funky Oscar Mayer Clausen. That's too cute. That's so silly, but it's cute. Mac and cheese. The snaps, the big bags. So if you do a lot of baskets, this is perfect for snack treats. Here we go, all the drizzling popcorns and all the crunchy chips, small things of Pringles, and look at that, boxes of animal crackers. That's a new item that I haven't seen. So you have the chocolate ones and the regular ones. Look at those cute little 3-packs, watermelons. Those are so cute.